Hello guys, welcome to this series 21 Days of Computer Vision. Today is the day 8 of computer vision. We learned a lot of stuff in the last week and we had a capstone project at the end of the week that was document scanner. I hope you could learn from the last week's videos and you could relate to the project which was implemented in the last video, that was document scanner. So today is a new week and today is the day 8th of computer vision. Today we are gonna look at this particular thing that is extracting frames from a video. This particular thing might not be individually a major thing to do, but this is a kind of snippet, or this is a kind of thing that you would need at some point while implementing any project or while working with OpenCV. So you will definitely need this thing once or many times in your life if you are working with OpenCV. In today's video we'll learn about how to extract a particular frame from a video stream. For example, we can take any video stream from our web camera or from any video, any provided video, and we can extract the frames which are being played in that video from that video. So we'll try to write the video frames with the help of the function cv2.mwrite. It is a simple function, we have used it earlier as well. We would write the frames along with the frame number and store it into a particular folder. So as we all know that video is a series of frames which are put together. So what we are gonna do today is extract frames from that video. So let's learn it while coding and have a look at the code. So here is the code for today's video. So firstly, I have imported both the packages which I need, and that was cv2 and time. I'm needing this package time in this code as well, which I will explain you now. After that, I have just taken the input video from my directory. So that video is called tomandjerry.mp4. So there's a video called Tom and Jerry in my directory, so I'm taking that. And after that I have initialized a counter. So what is the purpose of initializing counter here is that we are gonna incrementing this counter each time a frame is written, so that we can have a label for that frame. For example, if its first frame, that would be frame1.jpg. After some time when the counter would be incremented, so that would be frame2.jpg. So that's why we have initialized a counter here. After that there's the while loop which we have initiated, and we with the help of .read function we have read the video which we were using above, that was tomandjerry.mp4. And after that we have taken in the line 29 we have taken a variable name in which we are storing the whole path along with the name of the frame which is gonna be stored in a particular folder. So this first part of this variable, that is home/arpita/desktop/images/frame, is the path where I'm gonna store my frame which I'm gonna write. So after that I have converted this string, the current frame number, into string, and then I have concatenated it with the path, and .jpg is the extension of the image. So this is something I'm gonna store. And after that I have printed the information that creating this frame with a variable name. And after this I have just written the cv2.mwrite function which is gonna perform the task, and it is gonna save my frame into the required directory which is whose path is provided here. And in the line 38 we have just incremented the counter, and here I want to add that in the line 39 we have written time.sleep. So here we are using sleep function because like I'm not taking each and every frame of the video. After a sleep timer of 2 seconds, then only I'm writing the frame. So that's why we have introduced a sleep timer here. It's totally optional to use this. You may use it or you may not use it. It's totally up to you. So it's an else block. If you don't get the video, then break, and that's all. cv2.wait can destroy all windows. So this was today's code. So let's have a run of this code and let's look at this. So this was the file's name. So as you know, after sleep timer of 2 seconds, it is creating that frames. So after 2 seconds, that each frame is created as being stored, and here it is printed as well. Frame 0.jpg, frame 1.jpg, frame 3.jpg, frame 7.jpg. So it is what it is doing, that after sleep timer of 2 seconds, it is writing each and every frame into the required folder which we have specified in the code. So this was what it was doing. Let me. So this was what our program was doing. So I would like to show you the frames which it have stored from the video. So let's have a look at that. So this was what the program was trying to doing. It was creating those frames, and it was storing. So this was what the program was trying to doing. It was storing the frames in the required path which was specified in the code. So I would like to show you the frames which it have stored in the folder. So let's have a look at that. So here are the frames which it has stored. This is called frame 0.jpg, 1.jpg, and in this way. So it has stored these frames after the sleep timer of 2. These might look similar kind of frames to you because there are a lot of frames per second, so that are processed. So in a second there are around 28 frames. So since we have stored only 15 frames, so it may look a lot similar to you because this may be very small time duration during which these frames were displayed. So this is how frames are captured in a particular video. You can use the same technique to do a lot of stuff. For example, whenever a person is detected in a video, then write that particular frame into the database. So that might give a snapshot of that particular person and stuff. So this is how this particular snippet or this particular thing is used in real world scenarios and your real world projects where problems are solved. So I hope you were able to relate to this video, and this was all for today's lecture, and we'll come with the next video tomorrow, and till then, thank you and happy learning.